Welcome back to our Python journey. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important concepts in Python, variables. Think of variables as little boxes where you can store information. You can put numbers, words, or even true-false values inside. And the best part is you can change what's inside anytime. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand how variables work in Python. Let's start simple. Imagine you want to remember your age. You can create a variable called age and store the number 25 inside it. When you tell Python to show it, it prints my age is 25. See? You just told Python to remember your age and it did. Variables can also store words, which in Python we call strings. For example, you can create a variable called name and store the word Alice in it. When you print it, Python says, "Hello, Alice." It's like having a box with a name inside that Python can use whenever you need it. Numbers and variables aren't just for storing, they're for calculating too. Imagine you have two numbers, 10 and 5, and you want to add them. You can store each number in a variable, add them together, and store the result in a new variable. When you print it, Python gives you 15. Variables let you do math without having to remember every number manually. You can also update a variable anytime. Let's say your score is 10 and you earn 5 more points. You can add 5 to your score variable, and now it remembers 15. Variables are flexible, just like real boxes that you can refill with something new whenever you want. Python can handle many types of information at once. You can have a variable for a name, another for an age, one for height, and even one that says whether someone is a student or not. Python can print them all together. Bob, 30, 1.75, true. Numbers, words, decimals, and true-false values, all in variables that you can use in your programs. And that's it. You've just learned everything you need to know about variables in Python. You can now store, update, and use numbers, words, and more in your programs. In the next video, we'll continue learning Python and explore data types even more, so your Python skills keep growing. Keep coding, have fun, and I'll see you in the next lesson.